Hello students, now we will solve practice set 17. Question number 1, carry out the following divisions. So let's start. First example, 4.8 divided by 2. So how we are going to do this? Let's see. So here I'll convert this into common fraction. 48 divided by 10. 48 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. Then I'll change it into the multiplication. So 48 divided by 10. 48 upon 10 multiply by 1 upon 2. Okay. So I have taken the reciprocal of 2 upon 1. Then here what I have to do, I have to divide 48 by 2. So I'll do the division here. 48 by 2 you have to divide. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer I am getting? 24. So this and this will get cut. Then 24 multiply by 1. Okay. And 10 multiply by 1. How 24 will come? See this division. I have divided 48 by 2. I got the answer 24. So here 24 will come. So I have written 24 multiply by 1 and 2 1s are 1. So here 1 will come. Okay. So 10 multiply by 1. So what is the answer I am getting? 24 1s are 24 and 10 1s are 10. How I will convert into the decimal form? 2.4. Okay student, 1 0 is there. So from the right side I'll count the 1 number. So 1, and here I have given the decimal point. Now second example, 17.5 divided by 5. So let's do. First convert it into the common fraction. So I'll do it. 175 divided by 10. Why 10 will come? Because see here, after decimal point 1 number, so 10 divided by 5 upon 1. I have to convert it into the multiplication. 175 divided by 10 into 1 upon 5. I have taken the reciprocal of 5 upon 1. Reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. When we change the division into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of this number. Then I have to divide 175 by 5. Okay, I'll do the division here. 175. Okay student, 175 by 5. 5 3s are 15. So 17 minus 15 is 2. Then 5 5s are 25. Okay, so what is the answer? 35. So here 5 1s are 1, 5 5, 35 is 175. So here what is the remaining? 35 multiply by 1 and 10 multiply by 1. So 35 1s are 35 and 10 1s are 10. So what is the answer I am getting? 3.5. I have converted this into decimal form. 3.5. Okay student, got it? Now next example. 20.6 divided by 2. Very easy to do. First convert it into the common fraction. 206 divided by 10. 206 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. So now I'll do it. 206 divided by 10 multiply by 1 upon 2. Okay, so here I have to divide 206 by 2. So I'll do the division here. 206 2. 2 ones are 2, 0 will come, 2 zeros are 0, then 2 threes are 6. Okay, what is the answer I am getting? 103. So I'll write here 103. This will cut here, 103 will come. 2 ones are 1. So 103 multiply by 1 and 10 multiply by 1. 10 multiply by 1. So what is the answer? What is the answer I am getting? 103 divided by 10. Okay, so I'll convert it into the decimal fraction. 103, and here point will come because 10. So from the right side one number I have to count and then I'll give the decimal point. Okay student, so answer is the 10.3. Now fourth sum, how I have to do? Yes, 325 divided by 10. I have to convert it into the common fraction. Okay, after decimal point one number, so 10 is given. Then divided by 25 upon 1. Then convert it into multiplication. 325 divided by 10 multiply by 1 upon 25. Okay, so now I have to divide 325 by 25. So let's do the division here. 325 and here 25 will come. 25 ones are 25. So 32 minus 25 is how much? 7. And 5 will come here. So 25 threes are 75. So what is the answer? 13. So 25 ones are 25 and here 13. So 13 multiply by 1 and 10 multiply by 1. Okay student, so now 13 ones are 13 and 10 ones are 10. So what is the answer I am getting? 1.3. Okay student, understood how to carry out the divisions? Okay, copy down this all the 4 sums in your mathematics notebook. Okay, now in the next video we'll see the word problem. Thank you.